This is just a short video to show the process of changing the rear can on the 2015 Cross Tourer, which I've had for a while. Even though the standard stock pipe sounds good, it's got a good tone, but I need something a bit more noisier now, something a bit more fun. I'm now going to put on the Scorpion. It's the model number. I took a bit of research to get the right pipe, and what I think is going to be the right sounding pipe. I looked at some eBay brands, or cheaper brand of exhaust, but on such a beautiful bike like this with a V4, it needs a pipe that's going to complement that engine perfectly. So let's put it on and see what it sounds like. On the Cross Tourer, there's two mounting points for the pipe. Excuse the state of the bike, it's just come in yesterday. We've got a bolt on the footrest, on the rear footrest, and underneath there's a clamp just in front of the centre stand, which is going to clamp the pipe to the bike. So I need to get those undone and get this off. Now let's see what we get in the box. Like a little child at Christmas. We'll work out how to get into it. Okay. We get the can itself. Hey, that's the bizzo. There's the can itself. Looks really nice, feels like it's been well made. And obviously a lot lighter than the original can. Inside here is the baffle, as you know, but whether that stays in or comes out, time will tell. But yeah, nice piece of kit that. We should have in here a link pipe, instructions, a clamp, springs and a bolt. It's not going to stay this shiny for very long. Just link pipe with the brackets to hold the springs to hold the rear end can on. And we have the bracket for the bottom. I'm not a mechanic by any means. It's done purely by instruction and other YouTube videos. It can't be that difficult. So with the Scorpion, this is what you get in the kit. Obviously the rear can, the end can, the link pipe and the bolts to fix it on. Now, just to get the old one off. Just a quick note, and this really goes for a lot of bikes, not just the Cross Tourer. When taking the stock silencer off and stock link pipe off, there will be left with the old gasket, which is like a putty and a mesh that they put on the factory. That must come off because the new silencer has to shift all the way down to here for it to line up on the bracket on the footrest. So it must be removed, cleaned up, Don't have to, but I will be putting a small smear of exhaust paste round just to seal the new link pipe on. But yeah, the gasket's got to come off. So I'm just going to cut that off and put the new one on. Right, so that's all fitted. Took a little longer than about 15 minutes. That's nice and easy. The old stock pipe is there, which weighs an absolute ton, so saving a bit of weight, I suppose, with the new one. Let's see what it sounds like when she runs. Great. Just thought I'd see what it was like without the baffle, just in case anyone didn't want to take it out. It's not a massive difference, but I might leave it out. So, sounds really good.